Travelers, you have chosen to participate in an exciting time travel experiment. Please step into the seats in front of you and be sure all loose articles are stowed away or placed in the cubbies. During your adventure, please keep your head back and hold on to the restraint handles. Now, prepare for the journey of a lifetime.
Ready for launch. Hold on.
Papa, we did it!
This was our biggest time jump winner.
All you gotta do is dream big and do good.